Hi, welcome back to our channel. My name is June with RDH Care. In our channel, we share positive parenting tips. Follow us now to have more ideas on parenting inspirations. How much outdoor playtime does your child have every day? Do you know American child is said to spend an average of 30 minutes a day outside? And the same group of children spend 5 to 8 hours a day on screens. They may prefer to stay in front of screens, but getting outdoor matters. In today's video, we are going to talk about why and the benefits of children's need to spend time in nature. Over the past few decades, children's relationship with the great outdoor and nature has been changed dramatically. Since the 1990s, researchers have noted a shift in how children spend their free time. The day of the free-range childhood where children spend hours outside playing in local parks, fording streams, and climbing trees have been mostly replaced by video games, television watching, and organized activities such as sports and clubs. We have traded green time for screen time, and it has had an impact on children's well-being and development. Our approach of raising children has changed as well. Parents are afraid to allow their children to roam free because of perceived safety concerns. Here's something simple you can do to improve your child's chance of future health and success. Make sure he or she spends plenty of time playing outside. Here are the top 3 benefits of children spending time in nature. First, build physically healthier children. Outdoor play encourages active play, which is the best exercise for children. Studies show children burn more calories outdoors will help prevent obesity and strengthen bones and muscles. Playing in the sun builds vitamin D in the body, which means stronger bones and immune system, as well as healthier sleep and better mood. According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, many children have vitamin D deficiencies. 2. Increase attention spans. Children who play outdoor regularly are more curious, self-directed, and likely to stay with a task longer. Children who spend most of their time indoors with little exposure to activities requiring their initiation and follow-through show less ability to initiate or participate in new activities. Studies of children diagnosed with ADHD find that children with ADHD who spend significant time outdoors exhibit fewer symptoms. 3. Contribute to cognitive and social-emotional development. Unstructured outdoor play helps children learn to take turns, share, and develop other positive behavioral skills. Children need to learn how to work together. They need to learn how to make friends, how to share and cooperate, how to treat other people. If they only interact in very structured settings, such as school or sports teams, they won't learn everything they need to know. Additionally, fresh air and free play reduce stress levels. There are some other benefits: developing executive function skills, better school performance, more creativity, greater self-awareness, appreciation for the environment, and developing a sense of independence. And it has so much fun. So try it. Do what our parents did. Send your children outside. Even better, go with them. That's for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us to get more. See you next week.